Well, hello there. I'm got a lot to talk about, man, but I started this video or taking notes on 7 causes of cancer unknown to most because I got the idea from one of my favorite YouTubers. I'm sure you guys will know who that is after a while of me putting out more content, but one of the it goes so in depth that I don't want to just go over the basis of the video. I want to actually get in depth with each step, with each tip, you know, with each cause. And right now there's 7 causes. I'm gonna just stick to the first one. Oh, my hair is looking crazy. Anyway, the first one is environmental chemicals. BPAFs. Now I'm gonna just go in depth on that one. And before I even go in, you know, this is just a short. This isn't gonna be the actual full video of all 7 causes. This is just gonna be just a little video based off the first one, which is environmental chemicals. Things like forever chemicals. Like in the video I did previously with the Teflon, the non-stick pans, you don't want to use those. It puts forever chemicals in your body, which means they're forever in your body. You can't get them out. They slowly poison you over time. Not just forever chemicals. There's also plastic, the Tupperware that we use to put our food in, or that we get from places when we go and order for takeout. They put our hot food into the plastic. What happens is when it's hot and you put it in that plastic, it leaches. That plastic leaches into our foods and it gets into our body, and it is basically an endocrine disruptor. Now what that means is it affects our DNA. It affects our hormones. So you want to kind of switch slowly, if you can, away from Tupperware that is plastic and into glass Tupperware or a different form of container that stores your food. Another thing that I found out while researching this is that the receipt paper that we get, let's see, the receipt paper, what is it called? Yeah, the receipt paper. It's called thermal paper. It's used at cash registers. When you go to Walmart, when you go to the Dollar Tree, when you go anywhere and you order, when you buy something, they give you that receipt paper back, and the ink that's on it, it has these things called BPA and BPS in it. Now, BPA and BPS are known endocrine disruptors. They affect your hormones. These chemicals can be absorbed through the skin. Even with a short period of handling it, you can touch it for 2 seconds and throw it away, and it still has its effect. But these chemicals can be absorbed through the skin when handling receipts and may interfere with your hormone function. One of the most, this is the last tidbit on it, one of the most dangerous forms of plastic is the black plastic. I know you guys have seen the black plastic before. You get it when you get alcohol a lot of times, you know. I don't know. There's other times that you get it as well. But in the black plastic, it's one of the most dangerous forms because it comes from melted down computer devices, which is loaded with chemicals. Not good. Not good at all. Now, this is one of the things that causes cancer. You know, getting a receipt paper from Walmart and looking over your receipt and keeping it at the end of the year, taking it to H&R Block, turning it in with all your other receipts. If you got a small business, if you got tax write-offs, you know, this causes cancer. This is just number 1. We've got 7. I'm going to get into more. I'm probably going to do 1 a day for the next 6 days until I got all 7 done. But for now, environmental chemicals. Look it up. Do your research. This is one of the most known one of the main known types, causes of cancer is environmental chemicals, plastic, and BPAs, endocrine disruptors, and what was the other one? Forever chemicals in your Teflon nonstick pans, especially when you scratch it and breathe it in, or when you scratch it and you're cooking food and it leaches into your food and you eat that food. It's forever in your body, forever. So get rid of the Teflon. Stop taking your receipts. You don't need it. And get rid of the plastic and the Tupperware that is, plastic based. Get some different glass Tupperware maybe, or a different form of food storage. So number one, forever chemicals. You got to get rid of it. Number one cause of cancer.